Hey and welcome to this new video of learning ECMAScript6. So in this video we'll continue on knowing some other feature in ECMAScript, and we will study like some other object property. It's called shorthand cut. So first let's create some variable, for example a equal 10, b let's give it 20, and let's have also const c for example, and let's give it 30. After that let's create an object const g for example equal a equal to a and b equal to b and c equal to c. So now if I want in console.log I want to get to my property b for example, I will type g.b and it will show me this 20. So run, and here it is. So there is another shortcut, or this is the, if you want to say the old way, and in ECMAScript we can type there is a new way to do this. So I will leave it in here for you to see it, and let's create another object that it will be the same as g. So const, let's name it a for example equal object, and basically we'll type just a, b and c like this, and basically or this is exactly the same thing as this, and we can see it or to make sure, and we type here e.b and we will see in the output also 20. So run, and here it is. If we go to a for example we will see 10, and here it is. So this is like a shortcut to in ECMAScript6, and it's exactly the same way as this. When we want to match the key with the value in an object, we can just type like this. So let's do a function that for example we give it a word and it capitalizes the first letter. So let's create a function. So we'll name it for example capitalizer for example. It will have one parameter, we give it word, and here we need to first to grab the first element of the word. So we'll put it in the variable a word dot char at, and I hope you still remember those functions, char at to uppercase. And after that another variable, so const b, it will be word I will use slice in the index of 1, and after that I will return both of them together. So I will type directly return console.log and a plus b. So basically I give it a word, a string, a word, and at first this it have the char at 0 or index number 0. This means the first letter of the word. It make it to uppercase, and after that we do slice, and if you still remember slice, it cut the word. For example here it cut from index 1. That means it have this. So now a it have the first letter capitalized, and b it have the rest of the word, and then in the return I put them again together. So let's try this. Let's invoke the function capitalizer, and let's give it a word. For example let's type yes whip. So run, and we see that w it's or u the y it's in capital. Let's type hello, clear, run again, and we see that our function it's working clear and fine. So run, and here it is. So this was just a short video like to show you this new feature of ECMAScript, shorthand cut, and to do like a function and to remember those functions chart add and slice. So I think this will be all for this video. In the next video I believe we will be talking about maps and set. They are very important in programming and very useful. We do them a lot. So this is all for this video. See you next.